Let's come into position. You can either sit in Sukhasana, cross-legged, or Vajrasana. If you can't sit on the floor, you can even sit on a chair. Lift your spine from the lower back and sit tall without slouching. Be comfortable. Your hips, shoulders, and head should be aligned in one line. Connect to your navel center. Try to be aware of the connection of your feet with the ground. Try to relax without neglecting the posture. Now breathe normally with awareness of every inhalation and exhalation. Dhyana or meditation is not about stopping your thoughts. It is about being in the present moment. Despite the continuous flow of thoughts, every time your mind wanders, gently bring your attention back to your breath. Don't try to change your breath, but observe it. Feel the cool air enter through your nostrils as you inhale, and feel the warm air as you exhale. Relax the chest and shoulder muscles, but keep the spine active. Activate your root chakra. Squeeze your buttocks in and feel the energy from the base of your spine to the back of your neck. With each breath, drift into a quiet place, away from the rush hour. Imagine going to a place where you are at peace, close to nature, under the morning sky. Be present only in this moment. Feel the cool breeze. Imagine sitting barefoot on the grass. How soothing it is beneath your feet. Take a couple of slow, effortless breaths as you bask in the sun. Enjoy the chirping of the birds. Notice the sounds around, the greenery, the slow pace of breaths. Instill a calmness. Introspect. Bring in a sense of reflection. Enjoy the stillness. As you breathe in and exhale out, you can reflect on your current state of mind. Be present with every inhalation and be empowered with every exhalation. You decide the pace of the day with every passing breath. Be in control. Concentrate on your root chakra. Take 5 breaths. While you inhale, count till 4. and exhale. Count till 6. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. While you exhale, remember to control your breath. Repeat this at least 5 more times. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now inhale and hold your breath for at least 10 counts. Take a deep breath in. Hold. Exhale. Do it again. Inhale. Control. Hold. Exhale. With every inhalation, you become more aware about now. With every exhalation, you become more aware that you can control your response to any situation. With every inhalation, you become mindful, and with every exhalation, you become more at peace with the present. Slowly, gently, rub your palms together. Place your warm palms gently on your eyes. Blink your eyes. Feel a sense of renewed energy and inner peace. Atma Namaste.